Hey, how's everyone doing? Everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So this is going to anger some of you, and you might have to go back a few years to remember this, but we know how dealerships like to scam people. And I've actually seen this when I bought cars a ways back, but it's been exposed as a big scam. And you probably could have assumed that already, but back when it was a popular thing, you never assumed that you were just getting scammed one way or another. It didn't matter the pitch that they gave you about what they're trying to sell you at the dealership. A lot of times now you buy special coatings and all that. We know that's kind of worthless most of the time. But this was something that a lot of people got done. And it cost you a lot of money, but it also caused problems down the road. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what's going on and how you can protect yourself in the future. Like I said, there's a lot of scams going on at the dealerships. Now they're a little bit different than what they used to be. But if you guys ever bought a car years ago, tell me you haven't seen this sticker on the driver's side window. Almost every vehicle had it. And then the sales pitch was when you got in the finance room, they would try to sell that system to you because it's already on the vehicle, saying that they can't remove it and it's part of the package and all this, and how great of a system it was. In fact, from 2017, there was 2.2 million of these installed on vehicles. So that's a big number. And then if you didn't want it, they said they can't remove it, but then they wouldn't pay for the service for it. So making you think that it was not active. Well, this just got exposed a few weeks ago of how big of a scam this actually was. So like I said, I bought a vehicle and I had that sticker and I felt, oh, it's extra protection. But they just dug into this and found out, and here's the big problem with this, especially back then when they installed it. So systems nowadays, each alarm has its own unique digital key. So it makes it very hard for somebody to try to break into it. Well, the problem with every single one of these units is they all use the same digital key. And that's where the problem lies. So if a thief could crack one of these out of the 2.2 million that were installed, all they have to do is go find another vehicle with one of these systems in and they can get in by doing it one time. And that was a problem with this, and nobody questioned it back then. They would just sell it, and most people, because it was already installed in the vehicle, just believed it and took it. And then the people that said, no, I don't want this, they said they couldn't uninstall it because it was already there. But the problem is they were saying they weren't going to pay for the service if you didn't want it. But that was a lie too, because it was still active even if you said you didn't want it. So they could still break in all the same. So it didn't matter what you said in the finance room. If you wanted it left alone or you didn't want it, that unit was still there under the dash, spliced into the mobilizer system and all that stuff. So it didn't make a difference. It wasn't worth it for them to try to uninstall it. So you left the dealership with a brand new vehicle that was very susceptible to being stolen. And it's not some one-off thing either. Many vehicles with this system were broken into very easily. And times have changed and things have got better as far as alarm systems go. But the problem with this was that dealerships knew about this. And still, if you remember, they would pitch it like it was the best thing and you should not buy a vehicle and spend all this money without leaving here with it, because this is what will protect you. But in reality, a lot of people got their car stolen simply because of this, because thieves found out that they all use the same digital key and cracked one and could crack all 2.2 million of these. So then it was very easy to find a car. I still to this day see cars with the KARR sticker on the driver's window. And it reminds me, years ago when you buy vehicles, that almost every single one had it, and they put on the window sticker. So the whole point of this is be very careful if you're buying dealer add-ons. A lot of things aren't worth it. It goes back to like VIN etching, fabric guard, nitrogen in the tires, all that kind of stuff. You aren't getting really what you think you're getting. So I wouldn't really add anything outside of extended warranty, especially since if you want to go aftermarket as far as like ceramic coatings, it's way better to do it on your own than through the dealer. So I just want to keep you guys in the loop on this, see what you guys thought. I'm sure you bought a car with this alarm and thought it was the best thing, but it really was one of the worst things. So I just want to keep you guys in the loop. Hope everyone's doing good. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.